Affecting air travel all across the country today. Thousands of flights are already canceled and hundreds delayed, including dozens right here in South Florida. The Now's Jamel Lene is at Palm Beach International Airport, where a majority of the flights there have been canceled for the rest of this evening. Jamel?
Well, we're standing by the departure boards, and if you take a look over here at the departure flights here out of Palm Beach International Airport, a lot of those, there's a lot of cancellations in those areas like New York, LaGuardia, JFK, any of those areas up in the Northeast. A lot of those flights leaving are canceled, as well as arrivals. A lot of those flights that were supposed to come into Palm Beach International from those areas in the Northeast, those are canceled as well. And if you take a look at the airport, it's pretty slow right now. There's really nobody here. As you can see, many of those travelers coming from the north, they were just lucky to get out before the storm hit. These travelers coming into Palm Beach International Airport have the look of relief on their faces.
I am escaping the nor'easter.
Jeff Goldstein and his family left the Big Apple this morning before the storm pounds the Northeast later on today.
Last night on a Sunday night at 9 p.m., my wife and I got JetBlue tickets. Woke up at 4:30 a.m. with our baby and got on the airplane at 6, and we're here now.
Kathy Civarella flew in from JFK. Her flight left the gate on time, but it would be an hour before the plane took off on the runway.
It was hectic, but people are moving, people are cooperating. JetBlue was great, so it wasn't a problem, but I'm glad to be out of there. It was already snowing when I left.
Some passengers trying to get home weren't so lucky. Jill Alessandrine's flight from PBIA to New York was delayed several times.
For 15 minutes, then another however minutes, and now it's a couple of hours.
Major airlines across the Northeast have canceled flights for Tuesday. For those arriving here in Florida, say they have no problem extending their vacations.
I'm planning on staying till Friday. If I have to stay longer, so be it.
And looking ahead to tomorrow, you can see these flights that are supposed to depart out of here to JFK and LaGuardia already canceled. So again, according to FlightAware, there's so far at least 24 cancellations here out of Palm Beach International Airport and at least 8 delays. Now again, you want to check in with your airline before you leave out today. And most of these airlines, they're going to let passengers rebook their flights for free. That's the latest here at Palm Beach International Airport. I'm Jamel Lene for the Now South Florida.
Jamel, thanks. Really, Steve Weigel, every